YouTube, what's up? We're at the Magic Wand Nexus Aqua cars in Pittsburgh at Connellsville. This one's at Schellenberger. We purchased the Ultimate. I didn't get a receipt because they ran out of receipt paper. Instead, we're getting the best wash package. And now we're starting off with the pre-soak. Did you notice that the trifoam sign, the high pressure sign, red sign, is missing? But it's okay. This one's the best one. These airlift doors right here are for the to keep the machine warm. This one does not have onboard dryers. This is an outside view. So our car is really dirty, so this one definitely needs to be clean. Our car definitely needs to be clean. Okay, pre-soak. No, I think, yeah, pre-soak. Not pre-soak. It's just water. Oh, there we go. So the high pressure rinse and the trifoam does work. The lights work, but just it works. And this is the cash machine. A shout out to Pollux too. This is an awesome system. It's my favorite system. Shout out to Dr. Brandt, Dr. Tracy, Dr. Jess, Dr. Tracy, that's me, Dr. Brendan, Dr. Brendan. Trifoam! Oh, good call, Trifoam! Triple foam. Good coat. Oh yeah, smells good. Now, I love this system so much. No. Whoa! High pressure rinse. Wash all that dirt off. 2 pass. Whoa, yeah. Ah. Amazing. It also shout out to Dr. J. Shuloff, Dr. Trace, chick, because I'm a dentist receptionist. I had a day off. So shout out to Pollux too. Now second pass. Look at those 7 shower heads. Stay tuned for part 2, part 3, part 4. I don't mind getting wet. Woo! Yeah! Okay, the clear coat protectant's not applying. The water is soaked. Bubble too. Boom! This is the undercarriage nozzles. I really enjoy coming in. High pressure rinse again. Oh yeah. Woo! Ah! Feel like a rainbow. The water feels good. Okay, the spot for rinse. Okay, I gotta get to the front, guys. Oh shit, dang it. I really wanted to do it. Yeah, triple foam. This is the Schellenberger's car wash. Right over there is the dentist receptionist. This is the automated bay, the pull store. Oh my god, they did a really nice job. The blower's about to come on. Look at that! The dryers. Exit forth. Yeah, really loud. Stop. Yeah, this is Aqua car wash with the Magic Wand Nexus. Stay tuned, part 2 and part 3, part 4. There you go. Bye.